Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Preparing and mounting your theft stopper. Inside the box, you will find an operating cable and a 6-inch service cable, mounting hardware with tamper-proof wrench, installation directions, a sheet of language labels for multilingual warning, and the STI theft stopper. Removing the cover. Remove security screw with provided wrench. To remove cover from the base, push down the cable inlet to separate. At this time, it is best to set your volume control by shifting the black cap. Powering the alarm. Insert the 6-inch service cable into the inlet, and cable should not exceed past the base edge. Remove and unwrap the battery. Then connect the battery to the power cables and reinsert the battery. Test unit by pulling out the cable until the horn sounds. Reinsert the cable to stop the alarm. Mounting the theft stopper. Tools you will need are a pen or pencil, power drill, the appropriate drill bit for mounting, and a Phillips bit tip. Position base, and mark the 4 holes as drilling guides. And pre-drill all 4 holes. If needed, hammer in plastic anchors. Secure base to the wall with provided screws. Replace cover by sliding from top and press in until it snaps. And secure with screw. Apply language label if desired. Route operating cable around a secure location on device and then through the cable sleeve clamp. Assure it does not impede proper use of device. Crimp securely. Quickly remove service cable and thread operating cable into unit until alarm stops sounding. Please retain the service cable for future maintenance. Your theft stopper is now ready for protecting.